Hello friends, today in this video I am going to discuss some of the important static GK questions from the state of Assam. These questions are important for various Assam state level examinations and also APSC, as we know that 30 to 35% of the questions in APSC prelims GS1 paper shall be related to Assam. So please watch the video, and if you like the video then please like and subscribe the channel. Question number 1 is, which town is called Manchester of Assam? Options are Guwahati, Hualkuchi, Jorhat, Dibrugarh. The right answer is Hualkuchi. Hualkuchi is called Manchester of Assam due to large number of cottage industry engaged in handloom. It is also important for Muga silk, and 99% of the country's Muga silk is produced in the state of Assam. Question number 2 is, which of the following is a classical dance form of Assam? Options are Satriya, Bihu, Bagurumba, all of the above. The right answer is Satriya. Satriya is the classical dance form of Assam. And Bihu is not a classical dance, it is a folk dance form of Assam. And Bagurumba is also a folk dance of Bodo community. Question number 3 is, first Assamese who fought against British was? The right answer is Gomdhor Kuar. He was a prince of Ahom royal family who, along with his followers, rose in revolt against British in 1828. Question number 4 is, in which district of Assam terracotta industry has developed? Options are Bongaigaon, Guwalpara, Dhubri, Karimganj. The right answer is Dhubri district. Question number 5 is, in which year Treaty of Yandabu was signed between East India Company and the Burmese? The right answer is 1826. In 1826, the Treaty of Yandabu was signed, which ended the First Anglo-Burmese War, and Assam went into the hands of British East India Company. Question number 6 is, during whose reign Ranghar was constructed at Shivsagar? The right answer is Pramotto Singha. Question number 7 is, the oldest oil field in India is located in? Options are Lakua, Baghjan, Digboi, Haldia. The right answer is Digboi. Digboi is also known as the oil city of Assam, and it is also oldest in Asia, where first time oil well was drilled, and the first in world it was in Pennsylvania, USA. Question number 8 is, in which district Pathorighator run took place? Options are Dorong, Nagaon, Shivsagar, Goalpara. The right answer is in Dorong district. The popular uprising in Assam known as Pathorughat battle took place in the year 1894 in Dorong district due to heavy taxation on farmers. Question number 9 is, the year in which Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary was elevated to a national park. The right answer is in 1974 it was elevated to a national park, and at present there are 7 national parks in the state of Assam. Question number 10. A musical instrument of Assam, Gogona, is made from? The right answer is bamboo. Question number 11. Assamese women weave fairy tales in their clothes. Who said this? The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi, who came to Assam for the first time in the year 1921. Question number 12. Who among the following from Assam joined the famous Dandi March? The right answer is Liladhar Borua. Question number 13. Who was the president of Swaraj Party formed in Assam during the freedom movement? The right answer is Tarunram Phukan. Question number 14. How much percentage of Indian land mass is covered by the state of Assam? The right answer is 2.39%. Question number 15. Porag is a colorful festival celebrated by options are Karbis, Ravas, Bodos, Missings. The right answer is it is the post-harvest festival celebrated by the Missing community of Assam. Question number 16. The year 1836 CE was important in Assamese language and literature because the right answer is in the year 1836 Bengali was introduced as the official language of Assam, and the period from 1836 to 1873, this period is also known as the dark age of Assamese language because during this period the Bengali eclipsed the Assamese language. Question number 17. The first martyr of 1942 revolution in Assam was options are Konoklata Borua, Kushal Kaur, Moniram Dewan, Komala Miri. The right answer is Konoklata Borua, who was shot dead by the British police because she was leading a procession bearing the Indian national flag during the Quit India movement. Question number 18. How many Ramsar sites are there in Assam? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. The right answer is there is only one Ramsar site in Assam, that is Deepor Bill at Guwahati. And these Ramsar sites, these are the wetlands of international importance, and the name Ramsar, it came from the name of the city in Iran, that is Ramsar, in which the Ramsar Convention took place in 1971. Question number 19. Horthebari is famous for options are silk industry, bell metal industry, ivory industry, textile industry. Horthebari in the Bojali district of Assam is famous for bell metal industry, which is the second largest handicraft of Assam after bamboo craft. Question number 20. Lady responsible for forming Mrityu Bahini in Assam in connection with freedom struggle. Options are Puspalata Das, Chandraprabha Hoikiani, Rani Gaidinliu, none of the above. The right answer is Puspalata Das formed the Mrityu Bahini, that means ready to die. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel so that you can get more such videos on competitive exams preparation.